In this video, I will show you how to add a subscribe form in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Let's first add a blank section. Now to add a subscribe form, just click on add element. Drag and move this subscribe element. You can make it or resize it just like that. Now click on edit form. Before that, you can duplicate this form. You can play with visibility on mobile and desktop, or you can delete it just like that. To edit this form, just click on edit form. You can edit the form name, for example, interested in my newsletter, then hit save. You can also, before viewing the form submissions, you can change the email address where you will receive notifications for each form submissions. And you can also view your submissions here, just from the form settings by clicking on this button. In the fields tab, you can edit or add a tab, for example, a short answer. You can also add a paragraph, add a single choice like that, or add multiple choices. To edit the text of this field, just open the field and edit the field label, for example, first name. You can also edit the placeholder text, your first name. You can change the field type from text, email, or phone number, and you can also make it a required. Let's first make it a text, and as you can see, you can make it required or not. You can also play with the order of these lists. As you can see now, the short answer is the latest one. After that, you can edit also the button text, for example, send. As you can see, it is edited instantaneously. You can also edit the event that will happen after a form or after a successful form submission, between showing a message that you can edit here or link to another page of your website. From the style tab, you can edit the styles of the submission button, form fields, or the background. For the background, you can also play with the border color, make the border width a little bit bigger in order to see your color, and you can play with the form animation. To view your subscribe form submissions, just go to website settings, then click on form submissions. As you can see, you can see multiple forms. To see the subscriptions of the form I was just editing, which is called interested in my newsletter, click on view list. You can also export your submissions in an CSV file. And this is how to add a subscribe form in Hostinger website builder.